Welcome to the future of work, where your office is wherever you are. Say goodbye to boring cubicles and hello to, well, anywhere you want. Remote work offers flexibility like never before. It's not just about working from home, it's about working from anywhere. Picture this, a cozy cafe on the corner or a sunny beach on the other side of the world. Design your own schedule. Want to take a nap at 2 p.m.? Go for it. Being your own boss means you call the shots. Perks galore. Think of the savings. No more daily commutes means more money in your pocket. Spend it on what really matters, like coffee and snacks. True freedom comes from starting your own online business. Don't wait for someone to hand you a job. Take control, create your own opportunities, and maybe even rock those pajamas all day. The real revolution? It's the combination of cooperative marketing and the e-commerce movement. It lets millions of freedom seekers pool their resources for mutual benefit. Imagine working together to achieve success, no matter where you are. Embrace the future. Start your online business with Clubshop's cooperative marketing and the e-commerce movement. Work from wherever you want and join the revolution.